Welcome, my amazing students. How are you today, girls and boys? Are you fine? Okay, today we will take what are the colors in English, okay? First of all, we will take a quick revision. رح ناخذ مراجعة سريعة, okay? So, here we have some letters. Number 1, what is this letter? Capital A, small a, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. What about number 2? Capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. Number 3. Capital C, small c, capital C, small c, A, B, C. And here, capital D, small d, capital D, small d, capital D, small d, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, okay? So if I ask you girls, what's your name? You have to say, my name is, for example, لولو حمود الحارثي. My name is تالا حسام البردي. My name is إياد البردي. My name is سعد البردي. My name is وئام نايف الحارثي. My name is رودين باسم الأزوري. Okay, you have to say your name, okay? After that, where are you from? Where are you from? You have to say, I am from Saudi Arabia. 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 How old are you? How old are you? كم عمرك? I am 26 years old. I am 7 years old. I am 6 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 11 years old. Okay, كل واحد يذكر عمره هنا. Okay? Here, today we will talk about colors, الألوان in English. Okay? Here we have some different colors. White, black, red, yellow, pink, also green. Okay? So we will start with the first letter. To ask about the color, إذا بتسأل عن اللون, you have to say, what is this color? What is this color? It is blue. It is blue. What is this color? It is blue. What is this color? It is blue. What about this color, girls and boys? What is this color? It is black. It is black. So number 1, blue. Number 2, black. What is this color? It is black. It is black. What about the third one? What is this color? What is this color? It is yellow. It is yellow. So what is this color? It is yellow. It is what? It is yellow. What is this color? It is yellow. And here, girls, we will play now Tom and Jerry game. Prepare yourself. So, what is this color? It is blue. It is red. It is black. Of course, it is red. It is red. So, what is this color? It is red. It is red. أحمر. What is this color? It is pink, it is black, or it is green? Of course, it is green. It is green. It is green. أخضر. It is green. It is green. Okay? What about this color, girls? What is this color? It is blue. No. It is pink or it is yellow. Of course, it is pink. It is pink. So what is this color? It is pink. Okay, so again, girls, from the beginning, what are the colors that we took today? Today we took different colors. Number 1, blue. 2, black. 3, yellow. 4, red. 5, green. 6, pink. Okay, these are the colors that we took today. Okay, this is the end of my lesson, my beautiful students, today. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to write all the letters, all the letters that we took together before, and the colors that we took. كمان نكتب الحروف الكلمات اللي أخذناها والألوان. Okay, goodbye my lovely students, and see you next time. Goodbye.